Hi there. Are you somebody who has ever suffered with a shoulder pain where your shoulder has been stiff, been painful, sore to move? Have you been diagnosed with a frozen shoulder? Which again, remember, tends to happen in ladies aged between 40 to 60. If you fit that bill, then I am going to teach you today our 3 best exercises that we teach people who've got frozen shoulder. Hi, I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy, and welcome to our 10X Physio channel. On this channel, we are aiming to provide you with lots of tips and tricks that will help to 10x your life and your health. So stay tuned and watch on. Now, let's just move to our first exercise, which we use very frequently to help frozen shoulder. So our first exercise, so number 1, is our pendulum swings. So I'm going to use a chair and we're going to show you exactly what's involved with these. So we're just basically using the chair for a little bit of support here. We're just bending that upper body forward just a little bit and we're letting that arm hang down. Then we just start to gently swing that arm forward and back. Okay, and again, you're doing this movement within a tolerable, so that's a pain tolerable range. You can come back and forth. You can also come side to side. Okay, and again, just as much as you can tolerate. And then you can also do circular motions as well. So you can go clockwise and you can go anti-clockwise, round and round. Again, what we're aiming to do is to help mobilize into this shoulder joint. Remember, in frozen shoulder, this is all stuck and gummed down. Our aim is to start to get that moving. So those pendulum arm swings are really useful to help that. Now, our aim for these pendulum arm swings are to keep those arm movements, so that's back and forth, side to side, and those circular movements going for a minute. Just vary up within that minute what you're able to do. That will be 1 repetition. Give yourself a short rest. And then repeat that a further 5 times in that 1 session. You will then repeat that a further 2 times during the day. So you're doing that 3 times in the day total. That is all aimed at helping to keep this moving and help settle that frozen shoulder. Now for exercise number 2 for frozen shoulder. This is our arm slides. So you can be at home, you can use your kitchen table, your dining table. You can do this in a seated position. And you'll also see that I have a towel here, so just nice easy towel, just sitting on top of the table. So if I turn around to the table, I'm placing my hands on the towel. This just helps the towel slide easily on the table. All we're doing is just taking those hands and just reaching those hands forward. As they reach forward, we bend forward as well. And then we just come back up, okay, up tall. Now again, we just reach forward again. And reach as far as feels comfortable for you. And we're going to repeat that again 5 times. And I want you to repeat that through the day twice more. So again, you can do that in the morning, at lunchtime, and then again in the evening. So that's 5 times at each session, all again aimed, mobilizing that frozen shoulder. So our third and final top exercise that we use for frozen shoulder is the towel dryer. All you need is a towel. So, or you could also use a belt, but it must be something that's firm that doesn't give. So sometimes TheraBand isn't just as useful for this exercise because we are aiming to get a good stretch in the shoulder. So with the towel dryer, we pass that over the shoulders, okay? Now, we're going to grab hold of the bottom end of the towel with our sore side. So if I turn around, you can see I've got hold of the towel at the bottom. All we're doing in this position is using our good arm to gently pull that bad arm up. Again, as high as is comfortable for you and within your pain tolerance without irritating anything. We're going to hold that for 10 seconds. Then after those 10 seconds, we will release. Okay, take a short rest. And then again, we pull up again. So we reach up, get that stretched, again, just in onto that shoulder joint. 10 seconds, and then release. Now, you need to do that 5 times in that one session. And then if you repeat those 5 times, again, a further 2 times during the day. So you will do all 3 of these exercises at 3 separate occasions through the day. Again, they're all aimed at easing the stiffness, this tightness and pain that people suffer with a frozen shoulder. So thanks very much for watching today's video. So hopefully you've learnt our top 3 exercises for helping ease a frozen shoulder. If you like what you've seen today, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and remember to subscribe to those notifications. So hit that notifications button so you stay up to date with all our free tips and tricks. I'm going to repeat this again. Remember, all the information we give you here is free. So like, subscribe, and let's hit that notification button. Thanks.